Hello again and welcome to another episode of What's New at the Attorney General's Office. I'm Tim Borman, South Dakota Attorney General Chief of Staff, and school's out. I'm not talking the 1972 Alice Cooper hit, although we could talk about that one for 5 or 6 minutes. No, I mean school is out for the 2018-2019 school year. Now if you're 8 or 9 or 10, that means it's time to start getting ready to go to the pool, ride your bike, and just forget about homework. If you're a law student, that's a little bit different story. It's time to prepare yourself for an internship. And at the South Dakota Attorney General's Office in Pierre, we have internships to be filled. Today we're going to be meeting 3 of the interns who are going to be joining us for the summer, find out a little bit about them and what they're looking for in this experience.
My name is Cash Anderson. I'm from Pierre, South Dakota. I grew up in Pierre, love Pierre. Being close to home in the summer is really nice, and being able to live with my parents. I came here, so I've been here the last 2 summers as a paralegal intern. I just finished my first year of law school at USD. Hopefully going into the second year, we'll see when grades come in. But I hope to refine my legal writing and my legal research skills over the summer while also seeing what it takes to be a lawyer, kind of behind the scenes. My last 2 summers here, I kind of got a little bit of a sense of what goes into being a lawyer and what goes on behind the scenes when you're not in court. And this year I'll actually be applying what I learned over the school year and also learning kind of what they don't teach you in school by observing, watching, and working with the attorneys here. My first assignment is drafting a brief. So I'm jumping right into it, hitting the ground running, and I hope to get more assignments like this. I'm learning on the job about the law and about writing, so every day is something new, and I hope to keep that up throughout the summer.
Hi, my name is Jenna Schweiss, and I just finished my second year at the University of South Dakota School of Law, and this is also my second summer here in Pierre, which is convenient because that's where I'm originally from, and it's also my second summer with the South Dakota Attorney General's Office here in Pierre as well. Last summer, I was honored to be named one of the Steiger Fellows in the United States, and I worked primarily in consumer protection and antitrust here in the office, and I dealt a lot with national cases, which was really great, but it seems like my entire education and everything I've ever focused on has been on national issues. So this summer, I was happy to be extended an offer back to work here in the office again, but focus more on state issues, which really appealed to me because literally when you spend so much time thinking outside the box, you neglect to see some of the things that are happening inside the box. So this summer, I'm really excited to be working on state issues and to be working with a lot of the attorneys here in the office. So the South Dakota Attorney General's Office is one of the biggest firms in the state, so it's really great to be able to work with so many different attorneys that range in experience and specialty to be able to work with state agencies and work with civil, criminal, all sorts of different things that are much more specific than what I worked on last summer, which was very broad, but still a really great experience. So I think that's what I'm most looking forward to this summer, is just getting that hands-on experience that I can have as a 2L within the state of South Dakota.
Hello, I'm Jeffrey Church. I just finished my first year of law school down at the University of South Dakota School of Law. I retired previously from the Army after serving 30 years as both an enlisted soldier and an officer. And what brings me to Pierre in the Attorney General's Office is a summer internship where I hope to improve my legal research and my legal writing abilities, as well as have the opportunity to observe hopefully some jury selections and some courtroom proceedings. I think the description of my internship was, come on up, we've got 3 different divisions and we will have you work wherever you're needed. So I ask that if possible I work in environmental law specifically on water rights. And the first task that I received has to do with exactly with that.
Well, I guess you could call this the end of part 1, with part 2 coming up way down the line in a few months. You see, we're going to be revisiting with Jeff and Jenna and Cash come the end of the summer to find out if the expectations and the reality ever met up on the exact same plane and their experience working here at the South Dakota Attorney General's office. I'm Tim Borman. I'd like to thank you for watching today. I'd also like to ask you to click on the subscribe button to our channel, SD Attorney General. If you would do that, we'd appreciate it. It's the best way we have to keep you informed and keep you up to date on everything that we're doing here to help keep South Dakota safe. Until next time, thanks for watching.